Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It is freezing in New York today. Last night it was 4 degrees here where I live. With the wind chill, it was probably even colder. So far, these couple of weeks have been brutal. I have to be at work by noon and it's 9:43. Let me bring this down. When I work from 12 to 8, I'm home about 9. It's kind of scary. I don't like driving at that time. It's kind of dark. Last thing I need is to run into Bambi. Most of my family lives right by where I work, so I end up sleeping at somebody's house. Tonight I'm sleeping at my oldest daughter's house. I just want to spend some time with them. It's been a while since I've really spent some quality time with them. It's been Christmas, really. I don't usually like to film my grandchildren too much. You know, I want to respect their privacy, but I think my granddaughter is going to be teaching me some TikTok moves. I really want to come out with a TikTok video and I have no clue what to do. So I'm going to ask her for her help. She's an expert. That's it. I'm been, you know, too bad. I'll catch up with you guys later on when I'm at my daughter's house.
You ready?
Rate it?
Wait, hold on.
Okay, so do you remember the first move?
It was like...
No. You're gonna hit your foot.
Oh, did it?
Like that.
I'll end up in the emergency room. I was choked.
That's not even in the dance.
Oh, made it up.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Yeah.
I got that right. You can't take it away from me. I think I got it.
3 moves all together.
Okay, wait. Wakanda.
Oh,
I think I know how to do it now. Ready?
Yeah.
Make I see.
No.
Peter's ugly boots on. Let's go see what's going on out here. Oh boy. It's beautiful, but jeez Louise. Look at this. Wow. Nuts. There are mountains all the way over there. You can't see them at all. My walkway is completely covered. The cleanup, that's going to be the toughest. Not for me, for Peter Parker. So we're basically stuck indoors and we can't do much of anything. Hopefully we don't have any power outages, crossing our fingers. And that's really about it for today. I don't know what else we're gonna get into. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go down there and try to keep scraping that wall. All the stuff that I buy to use the grinder to grind the stuff off the wall is not working. So that wall's gotta be scraped by hand.
Good luck with that. We have to clean up this house today, Maxie. This house is a hot mess. Let's open this. This is probably the, I bought a coffee maker for work. So I don't have to buy coffee all the time. You know what I'm saying? It gets expensive. And this way my co-workers, we can have coffee at work. We don't have one of these. It was really inexpensive. I think it was like $54 at Walmart. And Keurig is always like a safe brand to buy. For home, I have my Nespresso that my daughter got me for Christmas, and I am very happy with it. But this is good enough for work. And then I also got some of these coffee pods, specifically for the Keurig. This is my favorite coffee, the Starbucks Veranda blend. One of my daughters actually gave me a ton of Nespresso coffee pods in this flavor for Christmas. I'm obsessed. It's all I drink now. So, hi Maxie, you want to get in the box? Okay. So yeah, I'll be taking this to work on Monday, and I know my coworkers are going to be super happy. Something.
You gotta push down so I can zip this. Yeah, see?
Let's cut your hair. Come on. Come on. Come on. Sunday morning. We had a really big snowstorm. Incapacitated everybody. Everybody, I'm sure, was home. Thankfully, we didn't lose any power, which is always a good thing. It was kind of like a lazy day. I cleaned up a little bit, straightened up. Then we ended up just watching TV and eating and just kind of being like cozy the whole day. We didn't do much of anything. I think maybe I will go either to Dollar Tree, depending on how the roads are, or Marshall's. Most people aren't used to the fact that we're going to have a coffee machine, so I do want to buy some to-go cups so that they can have coffee tomorrow, and then they'll know to bring like their own cup or whatever they want going forward. The other thing I wanted to do was show you guys how I decorated with the Valentine's Day decor, minimal decor, that I bought and showed you in that video where I did the whole update you on where I place these things. I didn't really like go all out decorating for Valentine's Day. I never do. And then I just wanted to show you what my home looks like after the Christmas takedown. I can't keep up with all of the seasons. When spring rolls around, I may change up maybe one or two things, but we're not going to get crazy here. All right, Peter Parker's outside shoveling and stuff, so I have a few minutes to show you stuff without being interrupted. On the mantle, all I did was, remember this wooden heart that I picked up at Marshall's? I ended up putting it here, sort of catty-cornered, and then I put this vase. I bought this vase at Target. I've had it for a while. These are some IKEA. Oh my God, I can't even remember what these, eucalyptus, oh my goodness, I'm losing it. IKEA eucalyptus stems. I really love the eucalyptus from IKEA. I think it looks very real. Even like the branches look real. This is the picture that I have going on my frame TV because it represents exactly what is going on right now. Tons of snow. Samsung has a thing where you can subscribe and then you get access to all of the different art. I like that. I can change this up whenever I want. I got these from Amazon. I love them. They are very sleek, modern. I love this like minimal style. I had the gold ones that I bought for Christmas from Target, but I just felt like it was just too much. So yeah, these are really pretty. What else do I have for Valentine's Day? Oh, my bowl, which you guys saw in my haul video. This is where I put the remote control for the TV, and that's really it. I don't put anything else in there. I just think the bowl is beautiful by itself. I don't know if you guys know, but the remote control for the Samsung Frame TV is actually solar powered. The lights in your house also charge this. I thought it was like pretty cool, so I always leave it this way. This vase that I have been coveting for a very long time, I picked this up at Target. This was $24.99, and it's from the Hearth and Hand collection. My girl Joanna. Very beautiful. They have a bigger one, but I opted for this size for my coffee table. I love the way it looks. 2 more eucalyptus stems from IKEA. Some coasters here in this little bowl. I love this. This was only $5, and I got it at the Stormville flea market a couple of years ago, I would say. And hopefully this year when they open back up, I can find the guy that sells all of these wooden products. Love it. Then I just have books here. This is the book that my daughter gifted all of us called Nosotros. This is my mom. It's a collection of photos from our trip to Cuba in 2017. I've mentioned this on my channel before. It's such a beautiful and thoughtful gift. We took my mom back to Cuba in 2017. Very, very memorable trip. My husband, my brother, my children. It was our first time going to Cuba, and we just felt like we should take my mom. That's my brother and my cousin and my mom. Anyway, we felt that we should take my mom back to Cuba, you know, at least once. We thought we would go back, but, you know, my mom passed away, for those of you that don't know. She passed away in July. My mama. Look at me there with short hair. Oh, my goodness. And I was so nice and thin. I have to get back there. My brother. And you know this guy, Mr. Peter Parker. Anyway, this book is just, you know, it's so touching. It's very special to us, this book. Update. I did make the decision. Thank you for all of you that helped me decide that I am going to put curtains here. Now, I have a question. One more question. You guys need to help me out. I don't know if you guys follow Lisa Holt. She's fantastic. She's like an interior designer, and she recommends that if you do have, you know, baseboard heating like this, that you don't have curtains that go all the way down. I know that you should do curtains, you know, as close to the floor as you can, because it kind of looks weird, I guess, if they're short. I'm afraid of a fire. Anyway, long story short, what do you guys think? I know that I'm going to go all the way up with the curtains, but I don't know what I should do about the length. The other decision that was made was that the TV is definitely going to go up a bit. Just a bit. And not right now. We need help. We need to be able to have somebody help Peter Parker, because I just can't. So, the TV is going to go up. Also, I just want to explain something to you guys. In most of my videos, you have probably seen this thing in the hallway. Let me explain what this is. This is what people would call, well, what I call back in the day, a do-rag. It's like something you put on your head to kind of like sleep in or something. I don't know. Anyway, it was my youngest daughter. She left it here, and now Max has taken this and made it part of his toy collection now. As you can see, Max's toys are everywhere. I bought him a basket to put all of his toys in. Okay, these are dryer balls, but he's just, you know, decided that he wants to play with these. All of his little mousies, a headband. I mean, there are just certain things that he just likes to play with. I put these all in the basket, and then when I come home, they are strewn about all over the house. So I'm not like a crazy messy person, and I don't just leave my clothes thrown in the middle of the hallway. This is my cat. This is part of his toy collection. He loves it. I am not sure what the deal is with this and why he makes those strange noises when he's playing with this, but he loves it. I don't know. I purchased a few things for this shelf. Before I had my Christmas village here, I didn't really know what to do with the shelf, like how to decorate it. I decided that I wanted to do something sort of kitchen related, being that I do have like my coffee station here. Everything on here is from the Hearth and Hand collection. This sugar canister, I've had this for a while. We don't use sugar, but when people come over, you know, they might need sugar. So I put that there. Functional, but it's also pretty. So this box is from their new, I guess, what is it? Winter, spring? I have no idea what the collection is, but it is the new one currently out at Target right now. And this was $9.99, a bit pricey for a box, but it's so beautiful and it's just so well made. I could put something in there related to this coffee station. I could always use this to put like recipe cards in if I wanted to. That would be cute too. So anyway, I have this here. I bought a little vase. This was $5.99. The stem, it was $1.99. I bought two of them. I'll show you the other in a moment. I haven't taken the tags off just in case, like I feel like I have to return this. But let's see. Put this here, which I think is really cute. And then this is also from Hearth and Hand's new collection. This was $14.99, this little pitcher. I prefer to use it this way. I mean, I could always turn it around this way. And then for $11.99, also from Hearth and Hand, I bought these whisks that I have not taken apart yet. Like I said, if I don't like the way these things look, I could always return them. The thing about this is that I can leave this up for spring. I'm not, you know, trying to do winter and then spring. This is fine for spring. You know, the colors are light and I don't know. I like it. This is another vase that I picked up from Target, $5.99. It's a bud vase. I loved the shape of this. You know, I have an obsession with ceramic vases and stuff. And I've got another one of those stems. And I like it there. That's cute. I can leave that through the winter, through spring. That's where it's going to stay. Totally forgot I've had this many years. A pillow cover. The back is like this knitted material. And so is the heart. And I love it. There you have it. That is how I decorated after I took down all of Christmas, with little hints of Valentine's Day here and there. The majority of the things that I bought, I can use year round. Definitely through the spring and the summer. Like I said, it's Sunday. We're really not doing much today. We have to get ready for work for tomorrow. We're just hanging out. Pete is downstairs in the basement, as usual. He's got his heater down there. You won't catch me down there. I don't want to go down there. It's nasty down there. Honey?
What?
Oh, you're coming up the stairs.
Yeah.
I wanted you to say bye to everybody.
It's a little cold down there.
Is it? I thought you had your heater down there.
I did, but still, it's a little cold because it's cold outside, you know?
He does the laundry because he doesn't want me to go downstairs after that fall I took. I guess I'm lucky.
Yeah, you're lucky, Mom. Bye, everybody. Have a nice week.
Thanks again for watching. You guys are the best. The comments that you leave me are just amazing. Definitely encouraging me to continue. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Have a great week. Love you.